CBSE class 10 exercise 7.2 and coordinate geometry. Question number 6. And if 1 2 and 4y x6 and 3 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram, ये parallelogram की vertices है. Taken in order, find the value of x and y. In first make a parallelogram. And this is parallelogram. Name it as A, B, C and D. Take care. A point, A coordinate 1 2, B coordinate 4y, C coordinate x6 and D coordinate 3 5. And parallelogram ABCD is a parallelogram. A point, B point, C point and D point. And first we know that parallelogram and AC is a diagonal and BD is a diagonal, and this point is name it as P. This point name it as P. P is the midpoint of AC and P is the midpoint of BD. P is the midpoint of AC and P is the midpoint of BD in a parallelogram. So take a midpoint formula and use a midpoint formula. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Midpoint formula, and when find out midpoint and midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2, and P is the midpoint of AC and P is the midpoint of BD. Okay, P is the midpoint of BD and P is the midpoint of AC. So midpoint, find out P coordinate of AC and P coordinate of BD. So right here P is the midpoint of AC is equal P is the midpoint of BD. In first find out P coordinate of P. P coordinate, P is the midpoint of AC. So x1 plus x2, 1 plus x upon 2. x1 is value is 1, x2 value is x, y1 value is 2, y2 value is 6. So 1 plus x upon 2 comma this coordinate of x, 2 plus 6 upon 2 is equal, P is the midpoint of BD, and BD, take care BD, x1 value is 4, x2 value is 3, 4 plus 3 upon 2 comma y plus 5 upon 2, and when compare by this is x coordinate of P and x coordinate of P, these values are same, and y coordinate of P, these values are same. Take care. In first write here 1 plus x upon 2 is equal, 1 plus x upon 2 is equal 4 plus 3 is 7 by 2, and 2 cancel, plus 1 transfer this side, minus x is equal 7 minus 1, so x value is 6. And next y value find out, 2 plus 6 upon 2 y coordinate, y plus 5 upon 2 y coordinate, these values are same. 2 plus 6 is equal 8 upon 2 is equal y plus 5 upon 2 to cancel, plus 5 transfer this side, minus 8 minus 5, so y is equal 8 minus 5, y value is equal 3, and is your answer. Find the value of x and y. X value is 6, y value is 3. Question number 7. Find the coordinate of a point A. Find the coordinate of a point A where AB is the diameter. AB is a diameter of a circle, and AB is a diameter of a circle whose center point is 2 minus 3 and B point is 1 4. And first draw a line segment, and this is AB. AB is a diameter. AB, what is AB? AB is a diameter. We have given AB is a diameter, and a circle of center point 2 minus 3, and this name is center O point. and O coordinate is given 2 minus 3 and B is 1 4, B is 1 4. Find the coordinate of A. Find the coordinate of A. This point is A coordinate find out, so x and y. A coordinate value x and y. And what is O? O is the midpoint of AC. We know that center is the midpoint of AB. And so use your midpoint formula. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. In first, O is the midpoint of A. So O is equal O midpoint O. Right here midpoint O is equal x1. X1 value is x. X2 value is 1. X plus 1 upon 2 and y plus 4 upon 2. X1 value is x. Y1 x2 value is 1. X1 plus x2. X1 value is x. X2 value is 1. So x plus 1 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Y1 value is y. Y2 value is 4. So y plus 4 by 2. And here midpoint formula, midpoint coordinate already given. Midpoint coordinate 2 and minus 3. Right here 2 minus 3 is equal 2 minus 3 is midpoint O coordinate given, and x plus 1 upon 2 comma y plus 4 upon 2. When find out x value, and this point is x coordinate and this is x coordinate is equal, and right here y coordinate is equal y coordinate. 2 equal to x plus 1 upon 2. 2 x coordinate and this is x coordinate. 2 equal to x plus 1 upon 2. 2 2 ja 4. Take care 1, cross multiply. X plus 1 is equal to 2 ja 4. So x value is plus 1, transfer this side, minus x value is 3. And right here minus 3. Y coordinate is equal y plus 4 upon 2. And 3 to ja take care 1 and cross multiply. Y plus 4 is equal 3 to ja 6 minus 6. Plus 4 transfer this side, minus. And minus 6 and minus 4. So y value is x value is 3 and minus 4 minus 6 and minus 4 is 10. Y value is minus 10. So A coordinate A is equal x and y, and let's say A is equal x and 1, and x value is 3 and y value is minus 10 is our answer. Okay, question number 8 or question number 8. If A and B are, A point is minus 2, B point is 2 minus 4, find the coordinate of P. Find the coordinate of P, and such that we again such that AP is equal 3 upon 7 AB and P lies on line segment AB. In first make a line segment, name it as AB, A and B, and A coordinate 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, B coordinate 2 minus 4 and P lies on line segment AB. Right here P, but x1 y1 x2 and y2, and P ratio is not given, but P ratio in first given. AP is equal 3 upon 7 AB. We have given AP value given 3 upon 7 AB, and find out BP value. And BP is equal, BP value find out AB minus AP. BP equal to AB minus AP, and find out BP. BP is equal total AB line and minus AP. AB minus AP, and AP value given. So BP is equal AB minus AP value is 3 upon 7 AB, and take care 1 LCM. BP is equal 7AB minus 3AB, 7AB minus 3AB upon 7. So BP is equal 7AB minus 3AB is equal 4AB upon 7. So find out ratio, and AP ratio BP. Find out AP and BP ratio. AP value 3/7 AB. 3/7 AB. And BP ratio find out 4/7 AB. AB cancel, 7 cancel. So ratio 3/4. Any problem? So write here 3/4. And this value is M1 and M2. Apply here section formula. Section formula mx plus mx upon m1 plus m2. Take here 1 2 2 1 comma my plus my upon m1 plus m2. 1 2 2 and 1. And this section formula find out coordinate of P. So write here P is equal m1 value is 3, x2 value is 2 plus m2 value is 4, x1 value minus 2 upon m1 plus m2, 3 plus 4 comma m1 value is 3, y2 value is minus 4 plus m2 value is 4, y2 value is minus 2 upon m1 plus m2, 3 plus 4. Undo solve. 3 2 6, 4 2 8, minus 8, 4 2 8 minus 8 upon 7, 4 3 12, minus 12, and 4 2 8 minus 8 upon 7. So P is equal 6 minus 2 is equal minus 2 upon 7 comma minus 20 upon 7, and this is the coordinate of P. And find out coordinate of P. Find the coordinate of P is our answer. Question number 9. Find the coordinate of points. Find the coordinate of point which divide the line segment joining A and B coordinate into 4 equal parts. We are given a line segment, name it as AB, A and B, and A coordinate 2 minus 2 and 2, minus 2 and 2, B coordinate 2 and 8. Okay, and line segment AB divide by 4 equal parts. Divide by 4 equal parts. Line segment AB divide 4 equal parts. So first part, second part, third part, and fourth part. And this is first part, second part, third part, and fourth part. 4 equal parts. Name it as P, Q, and R. Okay, and in doubt, and first part, second, third, and fourth part. And we know that Q is the midpoint of AB. Q is the midpoint of AB. In first, find out midpoint formula. Use your midpoint formula and find out coordinate of P. Okay, and use formula x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. And P is the midpoint of AQ. P is the midpoint of AQ. And next, find out P coordinate. Okay, midpoint formula. And R is the midpoint of QB. R is the midpoint of QB. So use your midpoint formula and do next. So use your midpoint formula. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. In first, write here Q is the midpoint of AB. In first, Q is the midpoint of AB. So x1 value is minus 2, x2 value is 2. Minus 2 plus 2 upon 2. So okay, Q find out, Q coordinate find out. So x1 value is minus 2, x2 value is 2. Minus 2 plus 2 upon 2 comma y1 value is 2, y2 value is 8. 2 plus 8 upon 2. And this is coordinate of Q. Q is equal minus 2 plus 2 is 0/2. 2 plus 10 2 plus 8 is equal 10 by 2. So q coordinate is 0 and 10 divided by 2 is equal 5 is our answer. Right here q coordinate 0 and 5. Okay, and next p is the midpoint of aq and p is the midpoint of aq. So use here p is the in first p coordinate find out of midpoint of aq and minus 2 plus 0 upon 2 minus 2 plus 0 upon 2 comma 2 plus 5 upon 2 2 plus 5 by 2 and this is coordinate of p and p is equal minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2 by 2 5 plus 2 is equal 7 by 2. So p is equal minus 2 divided by 2 is equal minus 1 and 7 by 2 is our answer. P coordinate minus 1 and 7 by 2. Okay, and find out r coordinate and r is the midpoint of qb. R is the midpoint of qb. R is the midpoint of qb. In first use here x1 value is 0, x2 value is 2, 0 plus 2 upon 2 comma y1 value is 5 and y2 value is 8 5 plus 8 by 2 and this is coordinate of r. 0 plus 2 is equal 2 by 2, 5 plus 8 is equal 13 by 2. R is equal 1 and 13 by 2 is our answer. 1 and 13 by 2 is our answer. And first answer q coordinate and second answer p coordinate and third answer r coordinate is our answer. Question number 10 and last question of 7.2. Find the area of a rhombus and if its vertices are and rhombus vertices are 3 0 first coordinate, 4 5 second point coordinate, minus 1 4 third point coordinate and minus 2 minus 1 fourth point coordinate taken in order में लेना है. And hint given we are given hint area of rhombus use formula 1 upon 2 product of its diagonals का प्रोडक्ट करना है means find out and distance of diagonals in first and given ABCDJ rhombus A coordinate 3 0, B coordinate 4 5, C coordinate minus 1 4 and D coordinate minus 2 and minus 1 and area of rhombus hint given 1 upon 2 into product of its diagonals means use here 1 upon 2 into product of its diagonals. First diagonal is AC, so write here AC. Product means multiply into second diagonal is BD, so use here AC distance and BD distance and AC means distance between AC, BD means distance between BD, so use here distance formula and distance formula is equal, we know that root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And first distance between AC is equal root x2 AC, x2 means C minus A and minus 1 and minus A value is 3 whole square plus C minus A, C value is 4 minus A value is 0 whole square. AC is equal minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 is equal 16 plus 16, 4 minus 0 is equal 4 and 4 square is equal 16, so AC is equal root 32 and do factors of 32. 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 2 जा 16 2 जा 32 factors of 32 and make a pair, so AC is equal 2 and 2 into 2 and root 2. Okay, AC is equal 4 root 2 distance between AC, and find out distance between BD. x2 minus x1 whole square, d minus b का whole square, d values -2 minus b values 4 whole square, d values -1 minus b values 5 whole square. So BD is equal -2 minus 4 minus 6 whole square 36, -1 and -5 -6 whole square 36. BD is equal √72. 32 plus 32 is 72. Do factors of 72. Divided by 2, 36. Divided by 2, 18. 2, 9. 3, 3. 3, 1. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Make a pair and 2 pair and 3 pair. So BD is equal 2 into 3 and √2. So BD is equal 3 to just 6 √2. BD is equal 6 √2. Use your formula. Area of rhombus 1/2 AC into BD. AC value find out already 4 √2. BD value 6 √2. And 2 से 2 2 जा 4. 2 √2. 2 √2 multiply 6 √2. 6 multiply 2. 6 2 जा 12 है. And √2 multiply √2. Okay, 6 2 जा 12 है. √2 multiply √2. When √2 multiply √2 is equal √4. 2 2 जा 4, √4. Square root of 4 is equal √4. 12 into square root of 4 is equal to 12 to get 24 square units. This is the area of rhombus ABCD is our answer. 7.2 is complete or